Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shiza Official. Today's top kitchen headline is something truly special. We're bringing you a different, easy, and absolutely delicious mutton korma recipe, made in a beginner-friendly way that anyone can cook at home. Whether it's a family dinner, a special event, or a weekend treat, this recipe is guaranteed to be loved by both kids and adults. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming useful recipes. Ingredients update, 020 to 110. Now, let's move to today's ingredient report. You will need half a kilogram of mutton, thoroughly washed. 2 medium onions, chopped. Whole spices of your choice. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Salt according to taste. These are simple ingredients that are easily available, making this recipe perfect for beginners. Cooking process, 110 to 240. Here's how the cooking unfolds. First, take your washed mutton and place it into a cooking bowl. Add the chopped onions and all the dry spices directly into the mutton. Now mix everything well so the spices coat the meat evenly. This step is very important because it helps develop rich flavor from the start. Next, transfer everything into a pressure cooker. Add a little water if needed, close the lid, and cook it on medium heat. Let it cook for about 30 minutes until the pressure cooker releases whistles and the meat becomes tender. No complicated steps, no advanced techniques, just simple cooking with amazing results. Final reveal and serving, 240 to 330. Once the pressure is released and you open the cooker, you'll find a perfectly cooked, aromatic, and flavorful mutton korma ready to serve. This korma pairs beautifully with roti, naan, steamed rice. The texture is soft, the spices are balanced, and the taste is restaurant style, made right at home. Closing, 330.